Okay. So, I hope this is recording. In my testing, it has recorded just fine. So hopefully I don't like lose a video here. So I was getting some like odd things happening, in terms of like the frame rate on the
Welcome. What may I do for you?
on the output of my videos. It was like dropping frames randomly, and I think it correlates to the way I had, like, I was capturing all of my desktop instead of specifically uh Morrowind. Sorry, God. And so, now that I'm copying or like recording only Morrowind, it seems to be running a little bit better. I think. What time is it? 10? Let's go to bed. Caius is such a soul. Okay. Uh oh, I wanted to drop off some potions or something too. I also want to use my armor as hammer. There we go. Nice. Man, I've got no snake. Some alchemy, some other stuff. I mean, doing okay. And Caius likes me a lot. Oh, ooh. Ouch. Oh, I'll take that. Okay. Getting there closer to level 2 now. So, no, that's not bad. Yeah, I want to drop off some more potions here. There we go. Keep the restore healths. Oh, maybe restore fatigue too. Oh, I should put this basket down. There we go. Put some stuff in there. Maybe all the spread. Still at 180, huh? What do we have in here that's like so heavy? Oh. But yeah, it's not even that heavy. Guess I'm just heavy. Okay. Let's go to the Mages Guild.
What do you want?
So hopefully the frame rate's just a little bit better. I mean, I do get some frame skips here and there, but as long as I'm maintaining like a decent frame rate. I'm not recording on like a phenomenal computer, so.
Yes, Outlander?
My patience is limited. I'm listening.
I think I got your mushrooms. Nice. Okay. Oh. Okay.
What do you want?
Huh. Yeah, I have like a pretty good chance of casting these.
I suppose it is my duty to help those less fortunate than myself.
Oh, you know, I'm also like really tired when I do this stuff. Oh, okay. Anyway, let us go up here. I can't even sell that to anyone anyway. Do. Okay.
If I can help, I will.
Can
but
we
don't take
hurry
too
this
much
along? Yes.
Ah. Gold cannet, stone flower. These can be found near the shores of Lake Amaya. Huh? Looks like we're going to Pelagiad. Pelagiad.
Sarah?
I don't know. Mathsera?
You have something to say to me?
No.
Is there something I can...
Do. All right, so we need to go to Satanin. It'll be a good time. Is that Saltrice? All right. Satanin. The boys
Why walk
are
when you
back
can
in
ride?
town. Okay, it looks like we need to go northwest. But it also looks like there's a big mountain in the way. So I wonder if we can go like down around this way. That should be 43, 47, 51, so it is. I'm gonna try and increase that a little bit. Yep, we're on the right path. Foul rat. You know, some might say that always hitting makes the game easier, and it does significantly. But I played the hit and miss game for like 10 years, 15 years, something like that. I'm sick of it. What are these? Willow flowers? That's not what we need, right? Willow anther. Alright, nice. Yeah, gold cannet, stone flower petals, and heather. I think we have heather. I think we do have heather. We have gold cannet. We have heather. We have willow anther. What's the last one? Stone flower petals. Alright, well. Those are right here, I think. Oh, willow. No, black anther. No. Stone flower. No, we don't have those yet. Oh, it's raining. I wonder what it smells like in this world. Ah. Here's Pelagiad. Or however you say that. Pelagiad. What's going on here? Hmm.
You're on your honor. Don't press your luck.
Hmm. Hmm. All right. Oof. Yeah. Okay, barrel. Nice. Hey, look at that. Look at that. The halfway tavern. What's in here? Hmm. Hmm.
Sorry, stranger. My time is short, so get on with it.
Hmm. Yes, yes. Hmm. Okay. What about this bartender? What do you got? Oh. Comberry brandy. Guess I never put it two and two together, like these were alcoholic drinks. That's cool. It was just fun learning about that. Mm. Right. Hey, yeah, I learned something. This name, this person's an Ashlander. Okay. Time is it? 4 p.m. I've got a tomb to raid. The Indrano Ancestral Tomb is just south. Just off the road, before the fork. Okay. So, we must have almost passed it. Let's, go ahead and equip the Spark Sword. Oh. South. I don't really want to fight local animals. The diseases are no fun. Oh, like right there, probably. Okay. Let's go check it out. Is a dead person? That's great. That's always wonderful. Oh, shit. Gross. Oh, you can hear the flies. Ugh. I remember there being a trap or something. I don't know what that blessing is. Oh, shit. Ooh. Need to go down. Yeah, see, like, almost looks like it, like, falls in. I don't know. I don't know. I'm actually just suspicious. Oh, shit. Oh, shit. Oh, I can still beat up the skeletons. That's good to know. Oh, you can like hear voices? Ugh. That probably pisses them off, but... Yeah, they're just so... Oh, it's not too heavy. Whatever. I'll take them. Oh, shit. Ugh. Okay. I need a restore magicka. Crippled. Oh no. Oh yeah, this is a really weird book. All of the lore about Vivek or any of the tribunals really weird though. Ooh, more books. Oh, sweet. Gonna try and collect all of those lessons. Take this. Ugh, those voices. There's the skull. Eh. This place is pretty big, man. Alright, right. Okay. I'm glad I opened this random door. Right, that was the skull? Yeah. The pool. Totally not for necromancy. Don't worry about it. Hightailing it out of here. Who's this guy? Oh, it's dead body. Alright. Nice. Well. Let us go back to Satanin. Guess up this way. And we can go back to Balmora. Alright.
Where would you like to go?
I would like to go to Balmora.
Where would you like to go?
Yeah.
This scent is new.
Jesus Christ. Man, that's such a cool design. The like setting of this is so nice. I love Morrowind. Alright, let's go talk to our friend.
Make it quick, Outlander. Is there something I can do for you?
My nose itches.
All right, I'm listening.
Yes, Dunmer? What do you want? Yes, what is it?
Nice. She wants a bowl.
Why is my friend here?
Great question.
Yes, Dunmer? What do you want?
All right, I'm listening.
Is there something I
That
can
sound
do?
as you like jump upstairs, like donk 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 donk. Alright. We're actually gonna go to Caius's house, because it's late. Oh, shit.
I will listen, Outlander, but make it quick.
Jesus Christ. There's also like this really uncanny aspect.
Yes.
The sixth house cult that I feel like the other games don't have. Oh, sorry. Like, I don't know. It's uncanny, it's unsettling. You know, just the other games had like a touch of that, but
How can I help you?
oh, well, here's what I'll do. Dang, Caius, I need more. Caius, I need more room. Well, you just have too much here, dude. I guess I have too much. Maybe I will go for that house mod again. Although I think I had problems with it deleting items, so maybe not. Okay, sweet. Alright, let's go buy a ceramic bowl.
Speak, traveler.
It's too funny.
Go ahead. Is there something you need?
No. Nope.
I don't know if I can help you, but I'll try.
Ugh, I forgot to buy the bowl. I'm ridiculous. I was thinking about her mostly. Perfect. Ashlander Colt. Yeah. Thank you.
Your actions show promise. What do you want?
What do you have training in? Nice.
All right, I'm listening.
All right, I'm gonna go buy a bowl.
Yes, Outlander.
See, if acrobatics or athletics would have been in my like major skills, I would have leveled by now, which I don't want to do. You have a bowl? Yeah, you do. I already had one, but oh no, can I get it for one? Ah, okay, 2 it is. Bro, you said 2. Dude, he is pissed. Okay, 10. Bro. What a dick. It's like, I even tried to haggle with him. He was pissed. He wouldn't sell it to me. Ridiculous.
Is there something I can do for you?
It's obnoxious. This game's ridiculous.
I don't know if I can help you, but I'll try.
Speaking of
Anytime
yachting.
now.
Oh, nice. I can sleep here in the Mage's Guild too. Good to know. Oh.
Oh, Outlander. Did you
Welcome,
want
friend.
something?
Oh, I didn't mean to open your desk. Oh! What about your ceramic bowl? Yeah. Yes, this is a very good bowl. The writing in this is also very comedic at times. Yes, good. This is a very good bowl, but my stolen reports. Wow. Well, you know. Hey.
Sweet moon sugar.
Yeah. Where did she hide those? Yeah. Ah. There's flowers. Where's mushrooms?
You have my attention.
There is much to discuss, much to learn.
There's a whole thing going on.
From where do you hail, friend?
Ridiculous. Would you suggest... Are you... Really? Me? Ah. There we go. Well, it's okay.
What is this about?
Oh, Outlander.
Our
Did you want
sugar is
something?
yours, friend.
We're good friends. Uh But Ajira does not like rain as much. Edwina Albert. Aldrune. Oh.
You have my attention.
Maybe I will. Let's go advance.
From where do you hail, friend?
From where do you hail, friend? Evoker. Okay.
Is there something you need?
No. Not from you. Alright. Back to Caius.
Wealth beyond measure. Speak quickly, Outlander, or go away.
Say your needs.
I will listen, Outlander, but make it quick.
But yeah, the atmosphere and like the way they introduce the plot to you in Morrowind
How
is
can I help you?
pretty solid. Nice. All right. Okay. Now get out of here and let me read. Okay, Caius. Pretty dang close to leveling, man. I need like 2 more level ups. I think I can push restoration and destruction, just kind of like sitting around. But I'm gonna go hang out at the Mages Guild because Caius wants some breathing room. And I'm gonna go level up a little bit, like he said, and then come back. We'll take it from there.
Say your words.
Ooh, I love this.
Waiting.
Nice. Maybe we can buy a nice book as well. I don't know. The book worth reading. What do you got? Sure. Yeah, I don't think I've ever read through any of those.
Go ahead,
Okay. Let's oh, you know, I also want to get some alchemy going. Let's go up here.
Okay, I'm listening.
Dude, I swear to God. Ooh, 400 down. Alright, steep. I don't want both of them.
I'm afraid I prefer.
Whatever. Okay, let's I think also canonically I want to, like, in the canon of Bruce Crustius, join the temple. because I want to know more about the temple, like, or my character does.
Go ahead, Outlander. What do you need?
And it kind of fits the narrative of me being a spy and, like, looking into all aspects of this, you know?
Do you want something from me?
No. Okay, we're going to quick save. We're going to rest until healed, which I think, yeah, an hour. And then I'm gonna try out some of this. You know, I left some of my other stuff up at Caius's house. Nice. But, you know, I'm not going to bug him. It's okay. Okay, we'll do 2 more if we can. Yeah.
What was that?
Well, we got some, you know, like restore fatigue, pushed up our alchemy a little bit. Okay, what was I doing? Yeah, I'm going to do some of this. This is kind of scummy, but you know. There we go. Fire bite. Oh, actually, I want Hot Pocket. Which I think should be pushing 87, 91. One more. There we go. Nice. Okay. ×5. We'll take the ×2. Ooh. Oh. You know, let's go endurance. I do have a mod that improved speed, so speed's not as much of a necessity. Okay. It's a good level up. I think that's going to conclude this. I hope this turned out to be a nicer video, just quality-wise. So, thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Let's see. Now I had troubles actually exiting Morrowind. That doesn't seem to be the case now. See ya.